So what's going on, guys? Apparently there's a common problem with the Yamaha MT-07. A lot from you guys have noticed that when you buy a brand new MT-07 that the chain sounds really loose. Since I bought this bike and I have put a video from my brand new MT-07 on the channel, I get a lot of questions about the noise the chain is making. After I drove 600 kilometers with this bike, I got also annoyed about the chain noise. You're probably looking for a video to solve this problem, but the answer is simple. So this is the only video you need. Just go to your dealer and they will fix the chain sound for you. Now I'm gonna show you what the chain sounds like after they fixed it.